Okay, so this is Lisa, who's just finished the 4th day on the Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy. And, well, it's been a long day, hasn't it, Lisa?
It has, yeah.
So we've had 3 more clients in today. So if we can refresh our memory to this morning, we had a client in, I think she just had, was it upper liner?
Yeah.
Upper liner. So how did that go? Like, that was the second sort of eyeliner treatment that you've done.
Yeah.
How did you find working on the eyes?
I really enjoyed it today. It was a lash enhancement.
Yeah.
So it's slightly different to yesterday's, and yeah, I felt more confident doing it today.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it, and yeah, I've come away feeling, like I say, more confident. And
I suppose the more you do, the more you get confidence. And then obviously we had 2 more brows in, a lady we've never seen before and a lady that came in for a top-up. So how did you find sort of working on lots of different types of brows as well and lots of different types of customers?
I think it's really good to build your confidence and knowledge, definitely, because everybody's skin feels different, everyone has different brows.
Yeah.
Everyone wants different things for different reasons, so
yeah,
it's certainly good to get that experience.
Excellent. And then obviously we've just spent a bit of time going through first steps on getting models for your case studies and starting to build the business. And you're on obviously the business and mentoring side as well. I know you've been concentrating a lot on the technical side, making sure your hair strokes are great and your brows are great and that sort of stuff. But now you've sort of done the live model training. It's then started thinking about the business side. So we've actually just had a little chat about that. And was that useful as well, just talking about all the different ways of getting clients and things?
Yeah, it's definitely very useful. I've got a lot of information at my fingertips, which I would recommend to everybody to get, because I'm going to find that very helpful in guiding me which steps I should take next and where I should start and where I shouldn't concentrate my efforts and where I should. So
yeah, excellent. Yeah. It's all about starting somewhere and then just sort of building the momentum, isn't it? And obviously you'll be starting your very own clients very soon.
Yes.
So we're looking forward to that, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I can't wait.
Exactly. And actually, did you find the structure of the training? Because obviously, Kate, you've been here for like a couple of days, just doing live models. Did you find that, you know, we had a lot of clients in, so I know there's a lot of practical work, but the mixture of computer work and practice work and everything else, has it sort of sunk in, like, you know, what you're doing and things, I suppose? Yeah,
definitely. And I like the way it was so full on and busy and straight into it, because you don't have time to be nervous. Yes. You just have time to...
Well, you've had 8 months wait, so to get to this point from the first 2 days, so you've had all that time to sort of practice and that. So it's nice just to, I suppose, go straight into the deep end and put into practice what you've actually been practicing, I guess, for all that time.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, it's 8 months of training going into the last 2 days, so it's brilliant.
Excellent. And then now you've got to do models and case studies, so some more training to come and more hard work ahead, but all worthwhile, I hope, in the end.
Yes, definitely.
Brilliant. Cheers for that, Lisa.
Thank you.